Hello friends, it's Running Kimono and we're going to talk about the best gain deals over at the Dollar General right until the 17th, which is Saturday. If you opt to go on Saturday, there's a little bit more savings with the two different Dollar General coupons. Any day you want to go in before that, it's an extra $5. So this guy, which is a 5 off of 30, it is a one-time use. When you get a basket of $30 of goods, you're going to get $5 off. Now, this gets really great because on Saturday, there's a Saturday-specific coupon, which is this one, the 5 off of 25. These two in certain markets stack. So if you have a $30 basket, you're getting $10 off. How magical is that? As stated, guys, on the 17th, which is this Saturday, that's when you're going to get the biggest savings pairing the 5 off of 25 with the 5 off of 30. You really have to pay attention when you're in the store for prices and which items are attaching with the 5 off of 30. Use the Dollar General app to scan the merch to make sure that the 5 off of 30 and digital manufacturers are attaching. There are various cents in the gain line, like many, so you might grab something that's not attaching and it might, throw a problem into your haul. Any issues that you might have, you can always void your transaction. And this doesn't work in all markets as well. And I am here in Michigan, so these are Michigan prices. This is the stack I was talking about. So see how for the small spaces, that's the product we're grabbing. So the small spaces with the gain, and see that 5 off of 30. This is the stack that you want to see when you scan items in with the Dollar General app to ensure that you're grabbing the right product and both the 5 off of 30 and the manufacturer are indeed attaching. Okay, so for the last 3 weeks, this was taking place that if you spent a minimum of $15 after Dollar General and manufacturer coupons, you would get a 501 coupon on the bottom of your store receipt. My reading of this, it was from June 27th to July the 10th, and that the coupon is valid until the 17th, the 501 coupon. So my understanding is that this is not working anymore. If you want to try and get a $15 basket, by all means, go for it. But my interpretation of this is that it ended last week. Just to note that, because I know a couple of you will probably ask, like, hey, is this still going on? And from my understanding, I believe it's done, and I haven't seen anyone do deals with this coupon either. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to do is 100% digital. You're going to need the following, which is the 5 off of 25, along with the 5 off of 30. Now, all digital coupons are of a one-time use, and if you used this guy last week, well, you're done on your account. If you have two accounts, you can do the deal twice. Hopefully that makes sense. We're going to be grabbing this guy for $4.95. There's a very generous $2 coupon that's attaching. So, yep, there it is. So $2, and it's valid till the 17th. So definitely use it or lose it. And then we're also going to grab 3 of these Gain dish soaps. And they are 3 for $5. And there's a $1 off 2 digital coupon. And here it is, guys. So please make sure you have this little guy loaded. We're also going to grab 2 of these double packs of the Febreze with the Gain scent. They're a car clip. So they're $5 a piece. So grabbing 2 of them. And then we're also going to grab 2 of the Febreze Gain small spaces. Don't forget to open up your app and scan to make sure that the what you're grabbing is attaching with the digital coupons, because they have a whole bunch of different scents. Aloha, this one, Moonlight Breeze, a bunch. And here are the digitals that we need, including a 3 off of 2 for the small spaces and then a 3 off of 2 for the car clips. Okay, guys, let's take a quick peek at the mathematics. 2 of the Gain detergents. Sorry, I'm not sure if I said that at the beginning, but grabbing 2 of them. We only have 1 digital, but we're still grabbing 2 to get the math to balance. That's $9.90. 3 of the Gain dish soaps is $5. 2 of the Gain car clips at $5 a pop is $10. And then 2 of the Febreze with Gain small spaces at $3 a piece is $6. So the total for your basket here is $30.90. As the cashier is scanning the merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number. The 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 Dollar General coupons will come off, along with $9 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $11.90 out of pocket. This does not include your tax. It shakes it out to $1.32 per product. Not too shabby. Okay, so the next 2 deals we're working with are with insert coupons. And just this is because there are so few digitals. That's why we're going to have to go towards the inserts, just to note that. Okay, so we're going to need these two that include the 5 off of 25 along with the 5 off of 30. So please make sure you have both of these little guys loaded to ensure that you have the biggest savings on Saturday. First item that we're going to grab for $13.50 is one of these Gain Flings. And then we have a $3 from the July P&G, and it's valid till August the 14th. How nice is that? We're also going to grab some of these dish soaps. Actually, we're going to grab 6 of them. And then we'll need this guy also from the July P&G, along with this digital, which is $1 off 2. And then we're going to grab 2 of the Gain fabric softeners. I just always love to grab these fabric softeners. And this $2 digital is attaching to both $4.95 and $3.95 items. However, the coupon, we only have 1 of them, just to note that. And then also from the July P&G, we're going to need this $2 coupon. And we can only use 1 as it's a super strict coupon, just to note that. Alrighty guys, so 1 of the Gain Fling 51 count is $13.50. 6 of the Gain dish soap, so they're 3 for $5 times 2 is 10, and then 2 of the Gain fabric softeners at $3.95 is $7.90. Your grand total here is $31.40. As the cashier is scanning all of your items, that's when you punch in your phone number. Then you're going to hand over your $6 of coupons from the July P&G. The cashier will scan all of them for you, and then hit the final pay button. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of $30 general coupons are coming off, along with $3 of digital manufacturers, the 2 for the fabric softener, and the $1 for the dish soap. You're left with paying $12.40 out of pocket for the 9 items, shaking it out to $1.37 per product. Okay, so the final deal that I have again is with insert coupons. I'm going to say this one is for the most advanced Dollar General shoppers because it does get a little bit confusing. We're going to need the 5 off of 25 loaded to our store card along with the 5 off of 30. Again, for more advanced shoppers, this one, I cannot stress it enough. Okay, so what we're going to do, guys, is grab 4 of these guys, so it's $20. Now, we have a BOGO free coupon, and if you've been around for a little bit, you know that you have to scan 2 items and then present a coupon. And then we're going to use 1 3 off of 2 digital. So, I mean, if you wanted to try to scan it all at the end, go for it. It might work, but because we're using 2 BOGO free coupons in a transaction, it might goof it up. So, you know what I would do? Get the cashier to scan the first product, punch in your phone number, scan the second one, and then hand over a coupon, and then get the cashier to scan 2 of these guys, present a coupon, just to make sure that the flow works perfectly. And these guys are $3 a piece as well, and we're grabbing 4 of those. And here is the other coupon from the July P&G, because with BOGO free coupons, it just really monkeys up the system over there where it'll accept 1 but not the second one. But if you're an advanced shopper, you know precisely what I'm talking about. And then we're also going to need these 2 digitals locked and loaded for this deal. So again, grabbing 4 of the Gain car clips for $20 and then 4 of the Gain small spaces with the Gain scent at $3 each. That's $12. So the total is $32. You're going to hand over 2 BOGO free coupons with the max value of $3. So 6 is coming off. As the cashier's scanning the goods, that's when you punched in your number. The cashier will press the final pay button. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with your 2 3 off of 2 digitals, so 6 is coming off. You're left with paying $10 out of pocket plus your tax. It makes it $10 for the 8 products, or $1.25 per product. So good luck with all these deals, guys. Saturday is looking super promising, especially if you love Gain. A lot of these coupons are expiring on the 17th, so I would get out and at least try a couple and have a little bit of fun with it. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.